welcome to Bike Ride. In today's video, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Yamaha R1, a machine that's pushing the boundaries of sport bike performance. Let's break down everything you need to know about this beast. Engine and performance. The 2025 Yamaha R1 boasts a 998 cubic centimeters crossplane crankshaft engine designed for maximum power and precision. With 200 horsepower and an advanced electronics package, including Yamaha's ride-by-wire system, the R1 promises unmatched acceleration and cornering capabilities. Whether on the track or the street, this bike delivers thrilling performance at every turn. Design and features. The design of the 2025 R1 combines aggressive aerodynamics with cutting-edge technology. The sleek, angular bodywork is not only visually stunning but also improves stability at high speeds. The new LED headlights, redesigned fairings, and sculpted fuel tank add to the bike's modern, race-inspired aesthetic. On top of that, the R1 features a refined TFT display, offering real-time data and customizable settings for the rider. Advanced electronics and safety. Yamaha has taken safety and performance to the next level with advanced electronics. The 2025 R1 comes with a suite of rider aids like the latest version of the Yamaha chip-controlled throttle, YCCT, an upgraded traction control system, quickshifter, and electronic suspension. These features provide riders with a tailored riding experience, offering both confidence on the road and a competitive edge on the track. Handling and comfort. With a redesigned aluminum frame and improved suspension setup, the 2025 Yamaha R1 offers enhanced handling. The bike remains stable at high speeds and in tight corners, thanks to its precise steering geometry and lightweight construction. The ergonomics have been adjusted for a more comfortable ride, ensuring that long rides don't leave you sore, while still maintaining that sporty, aggressive stance. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha R1 is a blend of advanced technology, cutting-edge design, and heart-pumping performance. Whether you're a professional racer or a passionate enthusiast, this superbike is built to deliver. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Ride for more updates on the latest in the motorcycle world. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Yamaha R1. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. See you next time.